Welcome back to the channel. Today we will not be doing a live video. Instead, I pre-recorded this video and I'm going to play it for you at our normal live time. Here in Oklahoma, we are experiencing some seriously cold weather, and fortunately the city of Shawnee has decided to open the emergency warming station for those who can't get out of the cold. You guys know that we are good at food. It's what we do. And so it's Monday. We are here at the church that we normally cook at on Wednesdays, and we are preparing meals for later this week because at the church where the warming station is being hosted, they don't have a commercial kitchen and the city will not allow us to cook at that location. So we're cooking here. We're going to be making a couple casserole type dishes that can be reheated easily later, and we will be serving those later on down the line. Unfortunately, we won't be able to show you that due to privacy, but just know that we are here cooking and doing our duty as usual. And so today I'm going to show you how to make shepherd's pie as one dish, and we are making a chicken bacon ranch casserole for the other dish. And both of these are going to be in these deep dish pans. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to throw these together real quick, and then we're just going to cover them in foil. We're not going to cook them here. Everything's already fully cooked. We're just going to layer it kind of like a lasagna, and then we'll reheat it on Wednesday. I think we're just going to only do cheese on the top.
Okay.
And of course, this group of people knows us for our fried corn. So I fried this corn on the griddle, and we're going to include it in the shepherd's pie because what goes better with mashed potatoes than corn?
Gravy.
Gravy, you're right. Gravy does go good with mashed potatoes. All right, we're going to do one more layer of beef, potatoes, corn, and then we're going to top it with cheese. I think that's pretty good. Lily, tell me what you think.
Oh, Mom's been busy. Sorry.
Put it in your mouth. Is it good? Okay. So this is what we've put together for our chicken bacon ranch casserole. We have our noodles here. You'll see chunks of chicken in it, and that's because we reused the chicken broth from boiling the chicken to cook the noodles. They turned out excellent, and they have all these delicious, yummy chunks of chicken in there. We also fried up a bunch of bacon, made our own bacon bits. Here's the shredded chicken. And then here's our sauce over here, and it's excellent. So Miss Emily over here is going to be the one to put this together while I hold the camera. Big jobs call for big scoopers. Start stirring it up. Now we're going to toss in the bacon. We're just going to give this a big stir. We're going to top this with mozzarella cheese, but we don't have mozzarella cheese today. So we're going to have to go buy it and put it on before we reheat. But once we get this all ooey and gooey and stirred up, it's going to be ready to go.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. You can support our ministry by smashing that like button and ringing the notification bell. We love you, and we'll see you on the next video.